So CASTOR is a project that is dealing essentially with trying to converge the concept of trust and try to bring this into the context and the domain of networking. So up until now, what has been done in the telco industry, considering also all of the latest advancements that we have in the domain of 5G and 6G, where it is very important that all of the service providers, they actually try to use these infrastructures, these networking infrastructures, to be able to provide their services to the end users. There is the important question of how to be able to provide these services in a very efficient manner. This efficiency, up until now, the focus is on networking aspects. So they basically try to establish paths or topologies where all of these services, they will be able to operate in an optimal manner. So up until now, we don't have the concept of trust in this networking aspect. Only security dimension they have been considering, it's in the concept of integrity. So what CASTOR's innovation and vision is to be able to converge these two words. So we are aiming to also consider trust as an inherent metric, as an inherent networking metric in the traffic engineering process when we are establishing paths and topologies where service providers can actually deploy their services. The other innovation that we're talking about in CASTOR is that we expand the definition of trust and trustworthiness. So we are not simply talking about integrity, but we are also covering other important aspects that have been already identified by the standards, including safety, resilience, robustness, and so on and so forth. All of these different dimensions, they have a different priority depending on the safety criticality nature of each one of the services. So in a nutshell, what we are trying to do is that we are trying to accommodate the requirements of service providers, both in the context of networking aspects, but also in the context of trust and trustworthiness. And we try to bring these two words together by providing new means to achieve the so-called trusted path routing.